Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. How you doing? Hope you're doing good. My name is Cynthia. If you're here for the first time, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much for coming back. I just want to encourage my subscribers concerning this virus that is spreading around. Please try to play safe, stay at home, wash your hands at all times, and sanitize your hands. We know one day all of this will be over. We pray God Almighty will protect us all in Jesus' mighty name we pray. But I would like to show us how to make a face mask. If you're finding it difficult to buy any face mask out there, you can just look for any fabric you have at home. It consumes less fabric and it's very easy to make. So let's just get to it. So I'll be drafting it on a pattern paper before transferring it to my fabric. So right from here, I'm marking 5.5 inches. I'm adding sewing allowance to it. I'm cutting everything together. I will make 5.5 inches square. 5.5 inches on this side, 5.5 inches on this side, 5.5 inches on this side, and 5.5 inches on this side. And I will connect the lines together. I will mark 5.5 inches here. So on this side, I will mark 5.5 inches. Then 5.5 inches here. I will connect the lines together. Connect this to this. If you are making for kids, you can reduce the length to 4 inches or 4.5 inches. So this is just like a square. So I will add in the measurements now. So I will come to this place, I will come to the edge here, go inside by 1 inch. I will come to this side, then I will go up by 1 inch. I went in 1 inch here, then I went up 1 inch here, that will connect the lines together. So I will go to this side. Right from this place I marked 1 inch. I will mark 2 inches here. Forget about this other line here. I'll mark 2 inches here. So I will go to this side and mark 4 inches. I will go to the upper part. Right from here I will mark 4 inches. Then this side is 1.5 inches here. So this is 1.5 inches. This is 4 inches. This is 2 inches. This is 1 inch. This is 1 inch. So I will go ahead and connect the lines together. From here I marked 1.5 inches. I will curve this 1.5 inches like so. So right from here I will curve it also to meet the 1 inch I marked inside. If you don't have a curving ruler, you can use your hands to curve it like so. You bring this 1.5 inches to meet this line here. From there you bring it to meet this 1 inch. And from here I will connect this, use my curving ruler to connect this together. I will connect the 4 inches, this is 4 inches upper part, and these 2 inches I will connect them together. You make a curve. I don't know if it's visible enough. So I will cut it out and transfer it to my fabric. So this is how it looks after cutting it out. So I will fold the fabric into two. So I'm using this plain fabric and this African print. So I will transfer this to the fabric. So I'm not adding sewing allowance to it because I added sewing allowance to it already. I'm supposed to cut out 5 inches but I cut out 5.5 inches. So there's no need of adding sewing allowance to it again. If you want yours bigger, you can cut it 6 inches. If you want it less, you can cut it 5. It all depends on how you want it. So I'm folding this other fabric into 2. I'll place it like so, then cut this out. So after cutting it out, I will go ahead and sew them together. So I folded the fabric into 2. I made sure I cut out 2 of these and 2 of these. So I will go ahead and sew it here. Make sure the right side are facing each other, and sew this side also. Make sure the right side are facing each other as well. So after sewing it, I will join them together. So I cut out about 7.5 inches elastic. I cut out 2. I'll match the seams together. I'll make sure the right side are facing each other. I will take one of the elastic. I will tuck it inside. Put this on this side. And this on this side. And make sure the elastic is inside. So I'll match this other side together. And take the other elastic. I will take the elastic and then still insert it on this side and this side, and make sure it's still inside. The elastic should be in between the 2 fabrics. I will sew everything around. I will leave about 1.5 inches, and so that is where I will turn my fabric out from. So after you finish sewing it, so I will turn it out from this 1.5 inches I left unsewed. Before I turn it, I made a notch around the whole edges. So this is the fixed marks. If you don't want to use this side, you can use this side. The place I left unsewed, I will take 1/4 inch and take 1/4 inch inside. So I will stitch up this place before I iron it. So as you can see, I've stitched this place up. So I'll go ahead and press it. So as you can see, we are done with our fixed marks. So you can make as much as you can just to be exchanging it, and it's washable. You can wash this and make another one. So that's it, guys. Please play safe. I will see you guys in my next one. I love you. Bye.